Hello everyone, what's up? I hope that everyone is fit and fine. Today I'm in front of camera because I want to share one thing with you. That is, nowadays I noticed that the people of our Bangladesh, they try to celebrate English New Year. Especially such type of trends is available in the city area. The city people, they try to do different types of fireworks. Some of these people, they try to do DJ party in 31st night, and some people, they try to arrange special dishes. So all of these things, they have some positive sides and some negative sides. The positive side is all of these things can create a festive mood, and some people, they can remove their anxiety, they can remove their depression for a certain period of time. Even they can feel joy, they can feel the delightful environment. But the negative side is these types of fireworks, they can create sound pollution. Sound pollution means extreme sound pollution. Sometimes it can create a terror environment. The child and the patients, like heart disease patient, they face a lot of difficulties. The child, they fear of this type of terror environment, and the heart disease patients, sometimes they are killed. I think all of you noticed that some people post on social media that some birds and some pets, they killed by this type of terror environment. So actually we have to think about this. Obviously celebration, different types of festivals, they are part and parcel of our day-to-day life. We must have to enjoy this type of events, but we must have to think about the negative side also. So that's a simple video. I want to share my thoughts with you. That's why I make this video. I think you forgive my mistakes.